If you've ever wondered how to shorten a knit or take out a few rows in a project without reknitting the whole thing, this video is for you. What I'm going to do here is take out 12 rows of my knitting. I'm going to thread one knitting needle into the top row of the ones that I want to rip out, or the row right above the last one that I want to rip. So I'm threading my needle into every stitch across one row. You have to be careful that you're staying in the same line as you do this, and you're grabbing one leg of every stitch. So every stitch has two legs. I'm grabbing just the leg on the right of every stitch. Once I have all the stitches of my piece on the needle, I'm going to clip the row right beneath the stitches on the needle and begin unraveling it with a tapestry needle or a crochet hook or what have you. In this example of shortening a knit, I am taking out 12 rows and grafting the piece together. So I'm taking out some rows in the middle of the work. Sometimes maybe you'll shorten a sleeve by ripping out and reknitting the cuff. In that case, you would still follow this same technique where you thread your needle through at the top of where you want to rip out, and then you would knit off of the needle that I have here shown on top. So here all of my stitches are now free, and I can unravel the 12 rows that I didn't need, and then I'll put these stitches back onto the knitting needle. So here again, if you just wanted to shorten the cuff on a sleeve, you would thread the top needle and then knit right off of there. Here I wanted to shorten the sleeve in the middle without having to reknit the cap. So now that I've got both sets of stitches on needles and I've taken out those 12 rows, I'm going to graft the two sides together with the Kitchener stitch. So that I'll just skip ahead on. Here I've grafted it together. It's a little uneven where I've grafted it, so I'm just going to steam it and that'll make it beautiful again. Happy knitting. I hope this was helpful.